Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
People, viewers, subscribers, which part in the day? Tell me, where in the world in the day? People, don't we telling you all the while, say don't trust nobody, my people. People, careful even your own family. Careful of friends. Me talk it all the while, my viewers and subscribers. You can't trust no one. My viewers and my subscribers. Jamaica, the Canada fraternity, New York, right now, a lot of mourning are going on, my people. A top promoter was cut down in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. And honestly, my people, you can't trust nobody. Well, right now, my people, I'm talking about a promoter who other people call Wayne, or if you don't know him as Worl-Great, my people. Well, my viewers and subscribers, Worl-Great, today, December the 29th, on a Sunday, Wayne-Great should host a big party in a Jamaica at Sabina Park, my people, theme thing. And unfortunately, my viewers and subscribers, early, you understand, Saturday morning, my people, them cut down Worl-Great, my viewers and subscribers. As me are telling them, my people, it's a very, very sad and dreadful situation. Worl-Great, my people, who also basically was based in Canada, my people, because a lot of people know him in Canada as a top promoter over there, so to my people. Them a mourn, them a ball. A lot of them are say, yo, what going to happen to a party them now? Because Worl-Great, my people, he was known for parties, my people. Worl-Great, who them say was originally from Westmoreland, Jamaica, my people. But I don't know, say, as time goes by, man spread them wings, man make moves, because up movement with some people. But my viewers and my subscribers, Worl-Great, him have a thing, my people, him own brand. You understand? And him brand, my people, a lot of celebrities know him brand, my people. And to tell you the truth, my viewers and subscribers, boy, it's not a good look. Well, him have a brand where him call him Top Jankro, where him sell like shirts and hat and them thing there. And more look at thing, my people. So, as me I tell you, other celebrities rock him brand, my people. Lot like Usain Bolt, you see me, entertainers and more athletes and them thing there. You know what I mean? Because him thing look good. Him thing look official. Top Jankro. So it is said that, my people, Worl-Great get a link, my people. You understand? Say a person want purchase a hat, phone call and thing. And them say when Worl-Great reach at a location, my people, and like say in a St. Andrew, my people, say I go deliver him hat and them thing, my people. It's a different situation. A setup go on. A rob them, want rob them, my people. Well, in the whole situation, my people, he was shot. And him never make it, my people. Him drop out. There's camera footage, CCTV footage, my people, that he was caught on camera when the whole thing was done, my people. You see me? And them I said the police, the security forces, the investigators, the detective, they can use the camera footage to catch the perpetrators who managed to cut down this man, my people, Worl-Great. A lot of people right now, family members, friends, you understand, people who just see him or people who just attending party, they must say, yo, he was a good youth, he was a humble youth, he was a quiet youth, he was a youth who them don't know if in a problem or in a war or violence with nobody. Them know him as a promoter, my people, a businessman who are doing thing. As me tell my people, he was big in Canada. Lot of people know him. You understand? Lot of other promoters, lot of other people who just attended party and them thing there, them know him. As me I tell my people, to the date should have been the man party at Sabina Park. And you see what go on, my people? The Jankro them take him out. My people, you see for the Jankro who take out Worl-Great, attacking boss. Because you see one of the Jankro, a wickedness in do, a crueltyness in do. You understand? The man never deserved that. Well, when you look into things, my viewers and subscribers, most definitely, you can see say I set them set up the promoter. I set them set him up. And look here, let me tell you this, my viewers and subscribers. Please look into what me I say right here now. Zane? Alright. You, as an industry man, Zane, Worl-Great, a businessman, a man who wearing flashy chain and them things that my people, you see me? You feel say Worl-Great, I got just come say boom, get a link. Yo, Worl-Great, I want a hat in my G. You see me? I like the hat them. And him I go stay say boom. Alright, but we just link up on the corner here. By himself, my people. Come on, man. People, somebody close who know Worl-Great involved in this thing. And that's why I say, people, you can't trust nobody. You see me? People wicked. People cruel. When we talk about trusting my people, like the Almighty alone we trusting them. You see me? Of course, we have links. And we have with family them. But people, you see, when you trust, boy, me I tell you, how the world set up right now, my people, we can't trust. You see me? Because in the end, my people, me just, yo, it don't happen already to Worl-Great, you know. So, it even make no sense, me say Worl-Great, boy, you should do this, you should do that. But what I'm saying is, my viewers and subscribers, and what others can learn from, you see me? You see, when you conduct business, bro, you have to know how you do them things, yeah. You see me? But as I say, sometimes, just to you know such and such people. And because you trust some people, so you see trust involved in everything. Because if you never trust certain move or certain things, you would never reach a certain corner at certain time to conduct certain things of people. And unfortunately, Worl-Great has to pay a price and him pay it with him life, which it should never be like that. So that's why I say the junker who do it, he need to get attacked. I'm upset. The security forces, them people, them can't solve this thing quick. Because the people must say, yo, this are with the footage and everything. A easy 1-3 for them match up whoever detective they on it or whatever and catch the perpetrators, my people. Because think about it, man. A young youth in my people. A youth who got to him struggling in Westmoreland. A lot of people know him and I say, yo, that youth was a determined youth. Me say somebody pose and say, yo, remember when this youth just touching Canada and he want to involve himself in the party thing. And him start go around and like promote himself. Like he might sell himself and I make you know say look at the man, you know say such and such. And him take him time people get interact with people, get to know more people in the field. And I say him push himself until him can start host him own thing. Them say the man even host party in New York, you know my people. As me I tell you, is a top promoter. As me tell you, see a whole heap of people rock the man thing, top junker brand. And you see how easy it is when wicked and demonic people come. Them now look, you know, people. And you struggle with you been through in a life. Now them things we talk about, you know. When the junker them are forward, my people, they ain't looking at the struggle you've been through. They ain't looking at the hard work where you put in for achieve what you achieve. Them not look on the side, you know. But the junker, them not look on the side for just think and plan how to come take from you, my people. Honestly, alright, when me asking a question, junkers, who do this to Worl-Great? My question to you is, whatever you want to take from Worl-Great, so you want to rob him or what? You want to take him phone? You want to take him chain? You want to take the hat? You want to take money? What you want to take? You want to think so that hurt the man life? Honestly. What that I going to do for Uno? Or if you not do this because I rob, you don't want to do it for something else. What that I going to do to Uno? Honestly. You not go suit in the purpose because you don't feel so you not go far, you know. Because there's a thing named karma. You understand there's a thing named karma. You do this today to somebody, you know, bro. Remember tomorrow is another day, you know. So you know me exactly happen tomorrow, you know. But remember there's a thing named karma. Because our wickedness, you know, do to the youth. When me look people and me say how much people can interact and say, look here, Worl-Great, him never deserved this. He was a real G, a real bro. You know what I mean? People, you know when you can go on as a young youth and people can forward and say, look at the man, that brother and that sister in here, they were good people. You see me? You know when people can do that, bro? Yo, I want the realest feeling. You see me? So that's why I say, yo, whatever they do to Worl-Great, yo, a wickedness and a straight attack for the junker them. Yo, me I send up my deepest condolences to the family and friends and everybody. You know what I mean? People who attended this party, people who supported this clothing business, top junker at business. You know what I mean? My condolences. And for the perpetrators who they behind that, who set up with their friends, family, anybody. You know what I mean? Attack again for no straight attack. Straight attack. And one thing me I gotta say again, remember, there's a thing named karma, bro. You understand? Karma. Time. God and time. God and time. My people, big up on yourself, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And please remember to do like, my people. It's important to like the video, leave your comments, you understand, share it up, and follow me on all social media platforms, on X, on TikTok, on IG, on Facebook, with everyone, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme. Be good, be safe, and be great. I'm out. Blessings. Big up.